Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. Today I'm excited to be sharing with you 2807 Steiner Street. And let's go see the unit. This is just a gorgeous middle floor unit. And I'm going to switch in the view and we're off to see it. All right, we've just walked up one flight of stairs. And we enter into the living room with nice wooden hardwood floors with design inlays, which make it very classy. Lots of big windows. Central heat right here. Walking around, you have a stunning, you can't appreciate with the video that I'm taking, but you have a stunning view of Alcatraz Island right there. Look at the pictures that we have and you'll see a photo of the island and how close you are. And again, you're 1 block away, or 2 blocks away from Union Street, which is full of restaurants and shops. Gas range, microwave, slimline refrigerator with 3 doors. And then you also have a dishwasher. So you have everything that you want, and then lots of cabinet space, deep sink, and a dark garbage disposal. All right, so coming around, there is a video monitor for the front door. And then you go down the hallway, and here you are in the bedroom area. Little sliding door closet. Tall ceilings, you definitely appreciate the ceiling. And here we have a bathroom. This is all recently remodeled. You can tell, there's quartz countertops, tile backsplash, and glass doors on the showers, and nice contemporary towel rods here as well. You have a vanity. So very, very beautiful apartment. One of the things I want to take note to is that there is window treatments, and these are blackout, so it keeps all the light. If you don't want any light when you're sleeping, these are definitely key. So anyway, give ReLISTO a call if you're interested in this listing, or see the links below, and there's a contact page that you can contact the agent and find out more and to see if it's available. Again, this is a gorgeous property. Let us know if you have any questions. We'll love to talk to you. All right, bye-bye.